What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Hope you have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. The best pairs to trade. Now, the thumbnail says best pairs to trade. The title says best Forex pairs to trade. But do watch to the end of this video because obviously, as you see, we do take indices and future setups as well. And in this video, I'm going to tell y'all the best pairs to trade as well as futures and indices I personally trade as well. Now, why am I qualified to even make this video? A disclaimer, this is my opinion, but I have been trading and teaching literally since 2022. All you gotta do is hit that first link in the description, join a free Telegram. All the receipts are there. I've been averaging at 80 to 90% win rate on a weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis. I've helped thousands of people make money for free as off my analysis and plays, and I've helped literally hundreds personally pass funded account challenges, become consistently profitable, and most importantly, have confidence on the charts, but know and understand how to read the charts as well. Again, all you gotta do is hit that first link description. All the receipts are there. I've helped students have $1,000 days. As you can see right here, it's like you always say, when you follow the rules of the playbook, you're never wrong. Re-entered eating right now. I appreciate you, man. One of my students that did one-on-one sessions with me, he passed and got funded literally that same month. He's been consistently profitable, as you can see right here in the group chat. Here's one of my members and students that joined the Advanced Play Signal Room. It's that first week last week and already up 459. Thank you. I've already found a signal provider mentor that's interested in helping people. If you have a question, you actually answer. Don't just flip me off because you're already taking my money. Really, his first weekend, he 5x his return. There's so many more receipts, y'all, but that's for a whole nother video. Let's get into this video. Now, in this video, not only am I going to tell you the best pairs I like to trade, but these are pairs that I personally make money on, as well as I'm going to tell you the best sessions to trade these. Now, if you want exact times to the T to hop onto the charts at the right time to catch the volume before the move happens, I break that down in Playmaker University with the playmakers, but watch to the end of the video. I'm gonna give you details on that. Let's go to Forex pairs, then we're gonna go over indices. Now, the first Forex pair I got for y'all is GBP JPY. GJ is one of my favorite currency pairs to trade. The reason why I love trading GBP/JPY is because as far as Forex pairs go, I made the most money trading GBP/JPY. Another reason is because it's so flexible. You can literally find setups in all sessions. That's Tokyo session, London session, and New York session. And I personally taken trades during all sessions and made money. The reason why I like this pair is not only can you catch a big risk reward ratio setups on these trades, but the pips you catch are huge as well compared to other Forex pairs that we're going to be talking about in this video. And as you can see, we literally just caught this trade live today. So we go to Friday the 25th live stream. You'll literally see us break down and enter this GBP/JPY setup live. You'll see us catch this candlestick live. We really do this over here. And then literally last week, we rode this entire wave to the upside. We've been riding this entire wave all month if we just continue to scroll to the left. So as you see, we really do enjoy taking these setups, and we really do catch big moves. But not only do I be catching these setups, you know how to make sure the members and students be eating with me as well. Again, you see the same exact date. We enter this trade live. We're eating live. We go further up. Again, you see we trade futures and indices as well. You can see we caught banger US 30 setups this week. We keep on scrolling. You see we caught some gold setups. We're going to be talking about gold later. So again, we really do trade all these setups we be talking about. You see more GJ setups we caught and caught some nice moves on. So we really have been riding this GJ wave all month. You see we're all the way at the 14th and nothing has changed but the date and the week. But you see we've been literally riding this wave up and the wave down as far as gold was concerned. Again, you see another GJ buy setup on the 9th. So again, you see another US 30 buy. So I'm telling y'all, we really be sniping the markets. We really be sniping the markets over here. Right? At a 90% win rate. Man, crazy. All you gotta do is click that link in the description, join the Advanced Play Signal Room. But again, this pair you can trade during any session. I know you hear a lot of things online about Tokyo session doesn't have any volume. That's not true. Every session has volume, and every session has their days or weeks when there is low or no volume. Just like New York session, go online. You've been seeing people complain about New York session being patched and price action being bad. There's every session where there's a chance to catch a setup. And GJ is one of those pairs where you can literally catch a setup during any session as long as your confirmations are met. Now, Forex pair number 2. Now, before we get to Forex pair number 2, this also applies for JPY pairs in general. Euro JPY, New Zealand JPY, AUD JPY. Nah, I do not like USDJPY. Don't talk to me about USDJPY. I know some people like it. I do not like USDJPY. But GJ, EJ, AJ, and NJ are good pairs to trade. Okay, especially during Tokyo and Australian session. Now, Forex pair number 2, GBP/USD. Again, watch today's live stream, Friday the 25th of July. We literally broke down this setup live, and you see it did a beautiful, it didn't do a 1 to 4. It did a nice 1 to 3, almost 1 to 4 RR setup. But like you saw in the advanced play signal as well, we've been literally catching these sells to the downside all month. So this one, I like to trade as well. Now, the downside of this one is pip-wise, you're going to catch a lot less than GBP/JPY. But the upside is because the pips you catch are smaller, you can put a bigger lot size. Now, you still want to calculate your lot size. You don't know how to calculate your lot size, click that link in the description, become a playmaker. I have a video literally pinned in the group chat showing you how to exactly calculate your lot size to make sure no matter what the stop loss is, no matter what the pair or the trade is, you're risking the same amount every single trade. And most importantly, you're risking what you want to risk every single trade. But with the pips being a lot smaller, you can still catch a good risk ratio setup. But because the pips or that you'll catch are a lot smaller, that means the stop loss are going to be a lot smaller compared to GJ, meaning you can up the lot size. Now, again, you still want to be smart with that and calculate your lot size. Now, the best times to trade this pair, in my opinion, is London and New York session. Now, I have caught some setups during Tokyo session, but these things really move London and New York session the best. Okay, so London session is 3 a.m. EST. New York session, it starts at 9:30 a.m. but you can also have pre-New York pre-market at 8 a.m. You can catch some setups on, and you can see prices still pushing to the downside. Now with GU, I flip between GU and EU, but I do like GU over EU. But again, it depends on the time of the year and the market structure. So if you don't really see a nice setup on GU, you can switch to EU, see if you see a better market structure, or see a better setup. Now, that's the Forex pairs. Now let's move to the futures and indices. Now, before we get to the futures and indices, well, this is technically one as well. We got to talk about gold. Gold is one of my favorites to trade. Y'all saw we caught some nice setup earlier this week. Again, we broke these down during the London session lives on Monday and Tuesday this week, the 21st and 22nd. But gold is my first trade. My first trade ever I made $100 on was with gold. So gold's always going to have a special place in my heart. Now, gold, you can trade this literally anytime. Now, the most volume you will see is during London and New York session, but there are times during Tokyo session where gold will try to sneak off and do a move. But London and New York session, that's where the banger setups are caught at. All right, London and New York session, definitely with gold. You can catch some nice moves during those times. And then as far as futures and indices, US 30. Ever since NAS broke all-time highs, we've been trading new US 30, but before that, we was trading NAS 100, NAS 100, US 30, SPX. Okay. Now, some sleepers are also JER 30 and EU STX. JER 30 is basically like US 30. No, JER 30 is like US 30, but kind of like NAS 100 at the same time, price-wise and movement-wise. And the EU STX 50 is basically the SPX 500. Right, so London and New York session are the best times to trade these futures as well. All right, y'all, and as you can see, just like in the advanced play signal room, like I showed y'all, we've been catching crazy buy setups. Like literally, we caught this beautiful 1 to 5 on Wednesday. We caught this nice 1 to 2 on Tuesday. We caught this nice 1 to 3 last week on Thursday. We literally been riding this wave up like I showed y'all earlier. So these are the pairs I like to trade. If you watch my London session lives on my Sunday chart analysis, I usually have one index up. So whether that's US 30, SPX, NAS 100, and then I have gold up, and then I have 2 Forex pairs I look at. That's all you need, because there's bound to be at least one of those charts, and not multiple, that have a clean setup. And that's all you need is one clean setup a day. Right, y'all? So if you're interested in learning how exactly I trade, before you make a decision and join the Playmaker University, I do recommend checking out the YouTube playlist titled Day Trade, Trade Breakdowns. I literally have over 100 videos breaking down various buy setups, various sell setups. Not only I took, but I took with the members and students. I break down from start to finish the psychology and the whole point of me going for buys or sells. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels by Signal service, my mentorship programs, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. You've seen how we've been doing so far this month. You've seen how we've been doing so far this year. We've been absolutely killing it, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and learning directly from me, join Playmaker University, or I recommend scheduling a one-on-one session where profitable traders and confident traders are made. Not only are you going to get my complete strategy in video format, going over how to read the charts, how to identify my key price levels, those blue and gold lines y'all stay asking me in the comment section, how to enter and exit trades, how to trade news, my scalping strategy, my secret buy and sell limit strategy, trading psychology, how to deal with wins and losses, how to scale into trades, how to never blow your account again, how to double your account every month. But you will also get daily analysis setups for life, student member group chat, daily trade recaps for life, exclusive New York Lives and trading plan Zooms, and y'all gonna get my famous price action technical analysis playbook that works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. And on top of that, you're gonna get the trader's mindset, mastering psychology and risk management playbook that goes over leveraging risk, mastering discipline, how to never blow your account again, learn how to trust yourself while staying cool, calm, and collected. This is what helped one of my students turn $4, as you can see, yes, to $275. That is not Photoshop. You can see he's saying right here, I followed the playbook through a Hail Mary. Shout out for all you do. This is why I always say follow the flow price and not chase price. His last dollars, he was damn near, he basically blew his account. And because he followed my teachings, trusted the playbook, he was able to turn a $4 account to almost $300 account. It's literally that simple, y'all. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to make the mistakes. Instead, just learn from my mistakes and be successful quicker. So if you're interested in learning how to consistently not only grow your accounts, but consistent $500 to $1,000 days, click that first link in the description, watch the free trading crash course. Or if you already know you're ready to get in and lock in with me, click the link to go join Playmaker University or the one-on-one sessions, and I'll see you on the other side. Shout out to the Playmakers, man. Now, advanced play signal, we literally just had a 100% win rate last week, and this is the exact same strategy I teach in the one-on-one sessions and in Playmaker University that averages not just a 90% win rate on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly and quarterly basis as well. You see right here, 16-1, 94% win rate. You see here, another 100% win rate on the week. We go to a whole nother month. You see here how we ended quarter 1 this year, 44-5, giving us a 90% win rate, 17-3 January, 14-1 February, March, 13-1. And if we go to how we ended last year, 2024, we literally went 181 wins, 23 losses, averaging an 89% win rate all 12 months combined, averaging less than 2 losses per month. You're not going to find any other mentorship or signaling service that does stuff like this. And not only do I call accurate signals, but I give you my entry, my S cells, my TPs. I notify you when the TPs get hit. I give y'all updates in the trades, and I drop a New York price watch list showing y'all what price is doing in that trade we're in, as well as what to expect and anticipate going into New York session, as well as other possible setups going into New York session. I go over whether you should look for buys or sells. I go over specific price points and all of that good stuff, y'all. And you'll also get the advanced play signaling for completely free when you sign up and apply for one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, I make sure you earn while you learn. So not only do I teach my exact same strategy on a Zoom call on the charts just like this, but you get one session a week. Each session is an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life, y'all. So you definitely get a huge return on investment, as well as you get access to the student member group chat and the advanced play signal room. So be interested in your trading to the next level. You know exactly what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram. I respond to all messages. See y'all in the university, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. We out.